Hello and welcome. I'm Courtney from Magic Moon Nails, and I'm here to share with you a look at what's inside Maniology's Mani by Me subscription box for the month of March. Hello, thank you for joining me. Today I'm opening March's Mani by Me subscription box from Maniology, so let's go ahead and see what's inside. Aloha Beaches! This month's Mani by Me box is flying your creativity out to Hawaii. Kick off your shoes, let down your hair, and enjoy a piece of paradise with designs and colors inspired by Hawaii's natural beauty. Treat your fingertips to a little vacay with the exotic flowers and birds of our tropical rainforests. Dip your fingers and toes into two new balmy colors, coconut, a delightfully rich off-white custard cream that will refresh your stamping polish collection, and hibiscus, a warm pastel coral that captures the satisfaction of a fruity cocktail at 5 p.m. Show off your tan lines with Island Soap and Candleworks' all-natural Surfer's Salve. Soothe and rejuvenate dry, cracked cuticles, sunburns, dehydrated skin, bug bites, chapped lips, and minor rashes using just a dab of gentle salve for an instant tropical getaway. Please excuse my mangled hands. We recently adopted our puppy Luna, and if you've ever owned a puppy, you'll know that they love to bite and neglect. First we have our pineapple and cherry gummies. Yay. Next is the Surfer's Salve. This smells awesome and it feels even better. I love this stuff. This first polish is called Hibiscus. This next polish is called Coconut. This first plate is MXM005. This second plate is MXM006. That's all the items that I received in this month's Mani by Me box. I'll leave all the info about Maniology subscription boxes in the description. Let's go ahead and try out a couple of designs. kind of looks. Thanks again for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up. And to make sure that you don't miss any future videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any questions for me, please leave them in the comments. Sending you all much peace and love. Bye.